The Suzuki Katana is one of the most iconic motorcycles ever produced in the world of two wheels. First introduced in 1981, the Katana immediately captured attention with its radical, futuristic design for its time. Featuring sharp lines, an aggressive body, and the distinctive German design philosophy of Hans Muth, the Katana became a symbol of bold, distinctive sports motorcycles, leaving a strong legacy that endures to this day. Over time, Suzuki has continued to introduce various generations of the Katana, blending classic DNA with modern technology. On the other hand, the Suzuki SV650 is one of Suzuki's most popular naked bikes, having been in existence since 1999. This motorcycle is known for its responsive V-twin engine, lightweight chassis, and fun-to-ride character, making it a favorite choice for both new riders and experienced riders. The SV650 has become an important foundation in Suzuki's naked bike lineup thanks to its balance of performance, practicality, and competitive pricing. As the EICMA 2025 event approaches, speculation about Suzuki's new motorcycle continues to surface. There is a possibility that Suzuki will introduce a new Katana model with a modern interpretation. This is where the concept of the Suzuki SV650 Katana comes in, an intriguing combination that merges the SV650's engine and platform with the legendary Katana's design DNA. This concept seems to open new possibilities for Suzuki to create a retro-futuristic motorcycle that remains practical for daily use. In terms of design, the Suzuki SV650 Katana features sharp body lines, a muscular fuel tank, and modern round headlights that still retain a classic touch. Contrasting seat colors and Katana-inspired graphic details give the motorcycle a unique and aggressive look. However, it is important to note that the image you are currently viewing is still a digital concept created by renowned designer Oberdan Bezi, who is known for his intriguing interpretations of iconic motorcycles from around the world.